Hello everyone, welcome to Exambi. This is a very important video for SEBI grade exam. By taking the case study of the Reliance rights issue and the partly paid shares when it was listed, I am going to tell you very important concepts. If you are serious for your preparation of SEBI grade exam, you have to understand these concepts very well. Maybe you have to watch these two videos 2-3 times. There are several concepts I am discussing. This is part 1. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. You need to go through both the videos to understand the entire story, which started with rupees 53,000 crore rights issues by Reliance Industries Limited, which is oversubscribed by 1.59 times. I will come to the news detail, and then in the second video we will tell about how this partly paid shares price was more than double on debut itself. The link to the news article will be shared in the description. You can read, but in the second part we will understand more concept related to arbitrage and partially paid shares. We are going to discuss about rights issue, record date, rights entitlement, partially paid and fully paid shares, issue price and face values, called up capital, uncalled capital, securities premium, intrinsic value, trading at premium and arbitrage, and GDRs. Now starting with the news first. Reliance opened 53,000 crore rupees rights issue. Rights issue means these shares, 42.26 crore shares, have been offered to the existing shareholders. The bid was received for 67 crore shares. It is written here in millions. I am converting because we are used to say it in crores and lakhs. And the public portion of the rights issue was subscribed 1.22 times. So you can understand that non-public, which is institutional investors or maybe promoter group, from their side oversubscription was higher because total oversubscription was 1.59 times. Understand what does it mean by oversubscription. So they said, Reliance said, I am offering 42.26 crore shares, but people are ready to buy 67.12 crore. Now let us understand this in detail. Reliance is a listed company, and in India there are 618.56 crores shares are listed today. We have mentioned also about GDRs. So 15 crore GDR, these are number of shares. Remember, not rupee or INR, these are number of shares. Okay, so fully paid, because we will come to partially paid next video, 618 crore shares are there. If we include the GDRs also, if you don't remember the full form, you have to Global Depository Receipt. So it's a kind of receipt issued by a bank. So GDRs are in foreign market. Suppose foreigners in USA want to invest in Reliance. So Citibank says, okay, I will buy these 15 crore shares. 15 crore are the number of shares. Remember, repeating again and again, these 15 crore shares they have bought from Reliance in India, or bought from market, whatever. And against that, they have issued these GDRs in USA or in other markets. We are not going to that detail, which had been subscribed by people. So total 633.94 crore shares, existing shares are there today. And now Reliance said, I am issuing now another 42 crore shares, 42.2 crore shares, which are rights issue. So what is a rights issue? This right is given only to the existing shareholder. In May, Reliance Industries announced 1:15 right issue. What is this ratio now? This ratio means if you have 15 shares, you will get a right to buy 1 share. How this ratio has come? Because if you tell the number here, 1:15 is this ratio, out of this 633.9, 42.2 crore new shares are being issued. So which is a ratio of 1:15. Understand that this is a rights issue. So only if you hold Reliance share, then only you can buy this share, because there are some benefits in buying this share. The benefit is given to existing shareholder. All existing shareholder on a record date eligible for applying one right share for every 15 existing share. Now what is record date? Record date is a cutoff date announced which will be taken as the date to determine the name of the existing shareholders, because in a listed company like Reliance, every day the owner is changing. There is so much of buy and sell happening in the market, right? So a record date is announced that on this particular date, whoever is the owner of share, he or she will have that right. If some existing shareholders do not want to apply for more shares of RIL, he or she can sell this right to someone, and this is called rights entitlement. So these kind of terminology, guys, we are preparing here for exam. What is rights entitlement? That the owner, the holder of the share, he or she can sell this right to somebody other, because there is some benefit here. The benefit is you have to pay partially. In this rights issue, you have to pay for buying the shares in part, first time, second time and third time. I am going to discuss that detail in the next video so that you understand how this partially paid share has been beneficial here. And this rights entitlement is useful because suppose you say I don't have money to buy more shares of RIL and you have this right. So because this is beneficial, you are going to get some benefit by buying this share which is really high value, but you have to give less money initially, and overall also you will be benefited in this, but you do not have cash. So you can transfer your right, you can sell your right to somebody and you can make money because your right has some value. So this is called rights entitlement. So we have understood rights issue, record date, rights entitlement and GDR. In SEBI grade exam, these kind of terms which are theoretical but have been recently covered in various events happening in the market are going to come. By very crisp 10 minutes video and study notes, you can learn such concept and you can check your progress by attempting these practice questions. I am guaranteeing you still will have doubts and our faculty will meet you in live class to clarify your doubt. You want to see the course, free demo is available at iexambee.com. Go at the website, and you have any question you can reach to us at 920-55-24028 by WhatsApp, SMS or call. I am coming to the questions. The rights issue, shares are offered at which of the following price? I have not told you the price Reliance offered. I will discuss that in next video, but I have told you that there are certain advantages. So I think that is an intelligent understanding. Otherwise, why the rights holder will exercise the rights? It is offered less than the market price, because rights issue is an invitation to existing shareholders to purchase additional new shares at a discount to the market price. In the RIL rights issue case, what amount per share has RIL received as on June 15, 2020? Answer this. I will reply the answer in the next video. You may read the news and find out your answer. In the next video, I am going to tell you what are the benefits Mukesh Ambani or RIL got out of this, and how the partially paid shares created an arbitrage opportunity in the market. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Good luck for your preparation.